This $6 million 95-foot yacht has 4 floors, 5 cabins, sleeps 10 people, and is available for day charter in Miami. This is Mateo Vima with New Gen Yachts. Below deck, you'll find our unique Oceanside Beach Club. In the main salon, you'll notice light oak fin finish with an L-shaped sofa. Our main deck is complemented with a day head. Inside of the master suite, you'll find a queen-size bed. In the master bathroom, you'll find a bidet complemented by his and her sinks. Downstairs, we can sleep 8 in our 4 mirrored cabins. Each cabin features a bidet, toilet, and a large rain shower. On our Sky Lounge, you'll find a large bar. Here you'll find a 12-person table with 180 views of the aft deck. Behind the Sky Lounge, you'll find seating for 12, complemented by 7 fridges and freezers. Our sun deck features a large extension umbrella, complemented by 2 barbecue grills, a wet sink, and a sun pad for 12. On our bow, you'll find private seating for 4, complemented by a sun pad. This vessel's fuel efficiency is 20 gallons per hour. She has 2 stabilization fins, 2 seakeepers, and features a crew of 4. If you would like to charter or purchase a 28-meter custom line, send me a DM today.